First part we have done yesterday. So triangle ABC has angle B is equal to angle C. Prove that. First part we have done yesterday that the perpendiculars from the midpoint of BC to AB and AC are equal. Then second part is the perpendiculars from B and C to the opposite sides are equal. That we have to prove today. The perpendiculars from B and C to the opposite sides are equal. That means given B and C equal, angle B is equal to angle C is given. Then what? Perpendiculars from, there we marked L and M, no? First part. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here you write P and Q. So perpendiculars from B and C. So from B and C means from B means we have to draw a perpendicular from B. Look at the difference between the first figure and the second figure. Perpendiculars from B means we have to draw from B. Previous question, we had drawn a perpendicular from the midpoint of BC. Got the difference between the first one and the second one? First one from
Yes,
the point to the sides. This is from B to the side. From the vertex. Perpendiculars from B and C to the opposite sides. So opposite side AC. We had drawn a perpendicular from B to the opposite side. Opposite side is AC. Same way from C also we have to draw a perpendicular to the opposite side AB. So we can mark this as a Q. So this will be perpendicular means this will be 90 degree. So same as what we have done, given angle B is equal to, start with the second part. How can we write? Given what are the things given? Angle B is equal to angle C is given. For exam, sometimes this will be a separate question, not the same question. It won't be the same question. Separate question will be. So angle B is equal to angle C and also given which one? BP perpendicular to, perpendiculars are drawn, no. So first point given is angle B is equal to angle C. Then second is BP is perpendicular to AC. Then also what? CQ is perpendicular to AB. Isn't it or not? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you here? Then to prove, no? What we have to prove? To prove. What we have to prove? Perpendiculars from B and C to the opposite sides are equal. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that perpendiculars from B to the opposite side and C to the opposite sides are equal means which two are equal we have to prove. Sleeping? All of you? Good morning. Please respond.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
All are sleeping.
No, ma'am.
Then reply.
Only.
What we have to prove here?
We want to prove that BP and QC are equal.
Very good. BP and QC are equal. That means we have to prove BP is equal to what?
CQ.
CQ. We have to prove BP is equal to CQ. That perpendiculars are equal. We have to prove. So consider about what? Proof. Proof. Consider triangle. Which are the triangle? Consider. We are considering which two triangles? Triangle. This two triangle, no? BPC triangle, BPC and triangle BQ. See now. BQC. BPC and
BQC.
QC.
BPC and BQC, or we want to write QCB. Which one? Which is the proper way?
BQC.
this is needed for next year. How to write this in proper way. Otherwise, you won't get the answer in similarity. That is why. So practice from 9 onwards. BPC.
B,
Then
C, C,
this is BQC.
B,
So
C,
here P is the perpendicular line. No? Here P and here Q. So how can we
Q.
taking BPC?
Then B, Q,
Think and say no.
B, C, C, B,
So
B, C, Q,
that line properly. That line. Here C.
B, C, Q,
And B
CQ, CQB,
CQ.
B, CQB,
B, Q,
This
B,
side
B,
no.
C, C,
Larger side this one. Same way this is the larger side. Think of that. So
C,
BQC.
Q,
BQC you write it as what? Triangle.
CQB,
CQB. Practice like this way. Practice like this way. Otherwise, next year it will be difficult. This year no problem, but next year you want to take the ratio of these two particular sides. We have to find. So it will be difficult. If you write this means then CQB, BPC. After this clear now. Then we can do.
that's like
yes ma'am.
Okay. Then consider this triangle. If you need, you draw the separate triangles here in the working column. If you have any problem in this means do a separate figure, then it will be easy. So how can we start? Completed now up to this? Can I wrap?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So what are the things given? Which are the angles given? So what we have to find? We want to find these two triangles are congruent, then angle given no angle B is equal to angle
So
C,
angle C.
that is given. Then you have to find the congruency. So BC, if you are thinking about this means both BC same no BC common side, BC is equal to BC common, isn't it?
Common side.
Common. Then given that two are perpendiculars, that means that angle, both angles are 90 degree.
90 degree.
That you can write it as RHS or RHS, or one more we can write AAS. Anyway, BP, which angle? Angle BPC is equal to angle BPC, this angle, no? Angle BPC is equal to what? Angle BPC is equal to angle
90 degree.
no, angle CQ
Equal to angle CQB.
isn't it? So that is also given, perpendicular. That means what? Which are the perpendiculars? That is what reason is what given. A
Perpendicular. AB is
BP is
BP is
perpendicular to AS.
perpendicular to AS
and
and
CQ
QC is
CQ is
perpendicular to
perpendicular
AB.
to AB.
that is given. That's why we wrote. So since it is 90 degree, we can write as what? RHS, isn't it? Can we write RHS? BC equal no. RHS means what? Right angle, hypotenuse, and
Hypotenuse side.
right angle, hypotenuse side. That means
Side.
right angle. So this right angles, opposite side of that right angle is known as a hypotenuse. These two are equal, no? Hypotenuse angles. These two, BC is equal to BC we wrote. So hypotenuse part okay. Then right angle 90 degree part okay. Then what about side? side, RHS. Can we write? Is there any side we have? Angle B is equal to angle C only, no? So can we write RHS property? That is two triangles are congruent. Can we say the right reason as RHS here in this question?
No.
Why?
There is no side.
So, no side then. We have only which one? Angle. Angle. So don't make it confused. Already given 90 degrees, so automatically we have a tendency to write the answer as RHS. Wherever we see that 90 degree, we will directly write RHS. Don't do like that way. Understood? Reason is different. Reason is not RHS. 90 degree is there, so directly we can write RHS. No, it is not correct. So which reason we can write? These two triangles are congruent. Will be congruent using what?
AS.
And BC. This side. One angle A.
S.
Using AAS, we can say these two triangles are congruent. Which two triangles? We assume that triangle
Triangle
BPC
BPC
and
is
triangle
congruent to
CQB.
triangle
BPC and
CQB using AS.
CQB.
Understood why we are not writing RHS? Understood? No? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. Understood.
Wherever you see this 90 degree means you have a tendency to write RHS. Please don't write RHS there. Okay. RHS means right angle hypotenuse, side. That means right angle will be there and opposite of that will be the hypotenuse. So we can't say that opposite of that right angle is 90 degree side is what? They will be equal. From that question we have to know these two sides are equal or not. Then only we can say that hypotenuse equal. Then side also we have to think about the side also. So then only we can write RHS. Otherwise we can't write RHS. Okay, that two triangles are congruent. So next is what? If two triangles are congruent, what we have to prove? To prove BP is equal to CQ. So directly we can write what? Therefore, BP is equal to CQ. Answer CP, CTC, no. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Hence proved. Agash is here. Doubt? Not responding?
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt?
There.
Not responding?
No, ma'am. Not feeling well.
Not feeling well. What happened? Akash?
COVID, ma'am.
Huh?
COVID.
Turn on your video. You're in your home.
Yes, ma'am. I don't have a COVID, but family full COVID. We are in up.
Okay. Your mother? You only?
Yes.
Okay. So if you are not feeling well means don't attend the class. I will give you the, you can see the recorded videos after that, no?
No problem, ma'am.
No problem, okay. Okay. Take rest, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't take strain. Take rest after this class. If you are not feeling well, you can leave, okay? Then next.
Okay, ma'am.
Next was number 6. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle ABC meet at I. Prove that IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. Perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. So draw the triangle ABC. Write today's date. Don't forget to write that. ABC. Perpendicular bisectors of triangle meet at I. Perpendicular bisectors the sides of triangle ABC meets at I. Perpendicular bisectors. So perpendicular bisectors means we are drawing like this way now. Perpendicular bisectors. Perpendicular bisectors meet at point I. We have to find out what IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. So how can we? Any idea? IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. We have to prove. Let it be EF D. D E A B C D E F. So these are 90 degree. Then just think of what are the things we have to find out and what we have to prove. Just think at AD, what are the things given? Write down. AD perpendicular to given. AD, what we can write? AD perpendicular to BC. Hello? Are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me what are things we have to write. AD perpendicular to given things. Perpendicular bisectors of triangle ABC. So which are the perpendiculars that you have to write now? AD perpendicular to BC. Then second one. BE is perpendicular to AC. Then CF perpendicular to AB.
AB.
Those are given. Then AB, BE and CF meet at point I. No. Also given perpendiculars meet at I. Also AB, not AB, no, AD. AD, BE, CF meet at I. This is given. Meet at I. Then what we have to prove? To prove IA is equal to IB is equal to
IB.
I
IB is equal to IC.
ID. IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. IC. IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. Then proof. Separate triangles we have to consider, then only we can find IA is equal to IB is equal to IC. So which three triangles we have to consider? Or two we can consider, no? Either two is enough. Consider triangle IA is equal to IB is equal to IC, we have to find out. Consider triangle, which one? First one. Then either this one or this one. Perpendicular given. So consider these two triangles, this two. So how can we say these two triangles are
BID.
if these two triangles are congruent, we can say that all the sides and all the angles are equal. So how can we start the question? Don't write first, try. After that I will give you time. Consider triangle. Don't write. You are only writing. Consider triangle. BID and
BID
C
And
triangle.
CID.
CID.
ID. ID is common for both.
ID is equal to ID. That is common.
ID.
Don't write. I will
Common.
give you time. Please listen. ID is equal to ID common. Then B DI, no, and CDI. Perpendiculars is given. So these two, angle BDI is equal to angle CDI is
Angle CDI is
Or
equal to
90
90
degree.
degree.
90 degree. Why? Reason is what? Reason given what? AD is perpendicular. AD is
Perpendicular to BC.
no. Given what? AD is perpendicular to BC. That's why. That line only this one. No. AD's line is this ID also. So that's why it is perpendicular. Given AD is perpendicular to BC. That's why we wrote it's 90 degree. Then one more point is there. Perpendicular, read the question. Perpendicular bisectors of sides. Not only perpendicular, perpendicular bisectors. So this line is the perpendicular bisector. Bisect. Bisect means what? Bisector. If you are drawing a bisector of this angle means draw a bisector of angle ABC. How can we draw? Take your compass, draw here, here. You will draw like this way, no? So if it is a 60 degree means up to this it will be what? 30 and this is what? 30 degree.
30.
That means a bisect means bisect means
into half.
Exactly half.
Exactly.
in science we
BD is
can say
equal
it as
to
So BD is equal
BD is
to D.
equal to CD.
BD is equal to CD.
same as angle. Bisector means this is bisecting means that side is bisecting means what? Equal. So same concept. Angle ABC bisector 60 degree means if you draw a understood no what? 60 degree bisector. So you say 30 degree. So AD is the bisector. Perpendicular bisector of BC means perpendicular bisector means 90 degree. Not only perpendicular. AD is a perpendicular means we can write only what 90 degree, but it is given as perpendicular bisector. Bisector means bisect means what? Tell me please.
Bisects into half.
Half. That means
Divide
BD
into
length
half.
are equal. Equal. So third point we can write what? BD is equal to CD.
CD.
That means also that is given in the question, that is perpendicular bisector is given in the question. Okay. So how can we? Jarin. Mute it. So BD is equal to CD. So tell me. Try two triangles. Which one? Side angle is here. Then ID side is here. BD side is here.
SAS.
That I want to write.
Okay.
You will say. Why can't you say directly?
Triangle.
If I wrote something there, then only you will say no. Therefore, triangle. Looking at that, yes, say.
Triangle.
Next question I won't say. B, I don't
Triangle
know.
PID is congruent
Is congruent
to
to
PID
triangle
SAS.
by SAS.
Yes, that means all the sides, all the angles are equal. No.
Yes, ma'am. So yes.
So we can say that IB is equal to what? This one, this triangle. This side is equal to what? IB is equal to
IC.
IB is therefore IB is equal to
Therefore, IB is equal to
CPCT.
equation number 1. Let it be equation number 1. Otherwise, we want to search that. That's why we mark that equation number 1. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Same way, do your own. Consider another two triangles. This one, if you can take these two triangles. Same method we can apply here. If you are considering, tell me. Do it. We can do together. Completed this? Write down first this. Right. Completed.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, completed.
So consider, next one what? Consider triangle
CIE
CIE, okay, CIE and
AIE.
AIE. C started. So from where we want to start A. Triangle AIE. Okay. CIE and AI. So we are considering these two. I is the these two triangles. So now don't bother about this one. That completed. Now we are considering these two triangles. So tell me.
IE is equal to IE common.
I is equal to IE common.
IE common.
Common side.
I
IE is common.
E common. Compare with this. Okay, same model you can write.
Angle CEI is
Angle,
equal to angle AEI
Angle AEI.
is equal to
90
90
90
degree.
degree.
90 degree. Then that means what? B,
B1
B,
BE is perpendicular to AC.
B1
B is perpendicular to AC. Okay,
perpendicular.
AC. The next step. It is a boxing same as BD is equal to CD. Given it is a perpendicular bisector. Then
A
it is a
is equal to
CE is
A is
equal to
equal to
AE
A
given
is equal to
A is equal to CE,
CE.
perpendicular bisector.
Also, that is what given, no?
P
Perpendicular
given.
B1
given
given
CE is perpendicular bisector.
bisector.
perpendicular bisector.
Given B is a perpendicular bisector. Given perpendicular bisector.
So S
Same.
S
Here's angle.
side
therefore
Here's
Side
side
angle.
side SIF.
SA
triangle CIE.
Therefore angle CIE
A
is
is
congruent
congruent
to
triangle
to
AIE
triangle AIE.
SIF.
AE.
Yes, yes. So from that same way, how can we write this triangle? These two triangles, no.
IA
IA is
IA
equal
equal
to
to IC.
IC.
Equal to IC. Let it be equation number 2. Join 1 and 2. How can we join that? IC is center. If you are sitting in the center of a bench means we have connection with the left side person and the right side person. No? So IC both. First equation we have what IB is equal to IC and second we have IA is equal to.
IA is equal to IC.
That means IC is common for both. No? So how can we connect this?
Next connecting
Since IB is equal to IC and IA is equal to IC, we can write
IB is equal to IC is equal to IA.
IB
IA.
is equal to IC is equal to what? IC is
I
equal to IA.
IA is
IA. That means what? Just rearrange. What is our question?
IA is equal to IB is equal to IC.
IA is equal to IC.
Instead of what is our question? Instead of IC, we can write A. After A,
I
you can
equal
write B.
to IC. IC.
Hence proved. Okay.
Ma'am, I can see the board downside.
Okay. Sorry. Now it's okay, no? No, it's okay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Then 7th question. A line segment AB is bisected at point P. So line segment AB. So read the sentence and draw the figure. That is better. Line segment AB is bisected at point P means bisected means equal, no? At point P. So length will be equal. If it is a 10 centimeter, AP will be 5 and PB will be 5. 5 plus 5, 10.
That
So
line
bisected.
segment.
A line segment AB, line segment bisect at point P. Up to this understood, no? And
Yes.
through point P, another line segment PQ, which is perpendicular to AB. Another line segment. One second. So AB. Tell me, how can we draw that line? And through P, another line segment PQ, which is perpendicular to AB. So either we can write draw like this way down or top, perpendicular, and through P, another line segment PQ, which is perpendicular to. So this is PQ, another line segment PQ, which is perpendicular to AB is drawn. Show that QA is equal to QB. QA is equal to QB. That means we join this using dotted line QA and QB we have to find. So now we got two triangles. Then it is easy, no? How can we? Given? What are the things given? Given. What are the
Given
things?
AB.
Given AP is equal to perpendicular bisector.
AP is equal to BP.
A is equal to P.
Also given what? Angle A perpendicular bisector. No. So this is 90 degree also given. Angle AP Q is equal
Angle
to
A
Into angle
PQ
PQ.
equal to 90 degree.
is given.
Given.
So that two things only, no? The next to prove.
To prove QA is equal to QB.
QA is equal to QB.
QA is equal to QB.
Then proof.
Proof. Join AQ and BQ.
AQ and BQ. So this is the extra fittings, no? Extra thing we are doing. So
BQ is
then consider triangle.
Consider triangle APQ and triangle BPQ.
BPQ.
PQ is common.
P. Okay, PQ is common. Okay, PQ is equal to PQ. Okay. First point, PQ is equal to PQ common. Then
AP is equal to PB.
Angle APQ is equal
AP
to
is equal to PB given.
AP is equal to BP given, that is bisector. Okay. Then angle.
Then
Angle.
angle APQ is equal to BPQ.
is equal to BPQ 90 degree.
90
So
degree.
yes.
So.
No, yes. Side.
AP 90.
SAS.
Can we write it RHS?
No.
AP.
No. SS.
Find it.
No.
SS.
Q,
SA.
PQ, yes,
SAS.
side. This is angle.
Angle.
If side
SAS.
AP is equal to BQ, suppose we have instead of this PQ is equal to PQ, instead of that we have suppose AQ is equal to BQ means we can write what? RHS. Why?
RHS.
RHS.
Why? Because
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. That means RHS, hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse, no? So we have to find out this is equal or not. We have to prove. So we don't have that. We have to prove that. So we can't write RHS. Here what is equal to?
Triangle APQ congruent
Triangle
to
is
BPQ.
congruent to BPQ by SAS.
Therefore, QA is equal to
Therefore,
QB.
Mute it. SA. Yes.
Therefore, QA is equal to QB, CP, CTC.
Therefore, we have to find out AQ is equal to BQ only. We have to find out. No, QA is equal to QB. Therefore,
QA is equal to
QB,
CP, CTC.
CP, CTC. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are in a track, I think so. Not feeling
Yes,
that
ma'am.
feeling difficult? No. Now you
No,
got
ma'am.
it. Easy, no?
Now it is yesterday got some.
So think what we have to do, that only. If you listen properly and if you are daily doing these problems, daily means it will be easy for the next class. If you are practicing these questions today evening itself you study, that means next class it will be easy. You want to get a technique of how we want to take, which two triangles we have to take, that all technique we have to know. Then
Every
only
day class means not remember.
every day?
Class means we will not forget it.
Yes, sure. So, which one? Next one, 8th one. Oh, we'll get time or not? 42. 8 is somewhat easier, not check me. Okay, 8 we can do. Only 5 minutes time is needed. If AP bisects angle BAC and M is any point, 8 question. M is any point on AP, prove that the perpendiculars drawn from M to AB and AC are equal. AP. Can you draw a figure your own without looking? Read the sentence. Try to. Okay, B. If AP bisects angle BAC. If AP bisects angle BAC. AP bisects. AP bisects angle BAC and M is the point on AP. So we can mark AP bisects. So M is a point on AP. Prove that the perpendiculars drawn from M to AB, perpendiculars drawn from M to AB and AC. So we have to draw a perpendicular now. AB and AC are equal. So perpendiculars drawn from AB, perpendicular this one, this also a perpendicular this one. From
AB and
A perpendiculars drawn from AB from drawn from M to AB, from M to AB, from M to AB, perpendiculars from M to AB and AC. That means this to 90 degree, not this one. From M to from M. So these two angles we have to find out what that two. Hello. Perpendiculars drawn from M to AB and AC are equal. That means we have to find out which two are equal.
yes.
Perpendiculars. It will make you confusion. Better extend that line. So A, B, A, B, C. Perpendiculars. So now it's okay, no? AC to BC. The two perpendiculars are there. Okay, two perpendiculars. LMN. Okay, perpendiculars. We have to prove which one. ML is equal to LM is equal to
LM is equal to
NM.
NM.
We have to prove. This we have to prove. So for what? How can we can start now?
Given
Given. Okay. Given start.
given BAC bisects AP.
Given M L perpendicular to given these two perpendicular lines like you know here these two are perpendicular M L
And MN
perpendicular to ML is perpendicular to AB.
AB and MN is perpendicular to AC.
AC.
Given that. Then any other things given? Nothing. To prove. No.
Yes.
Only that is
To
given.
prove M
If you need,
LM
you can write what this angle. It should be M N A. If needed means we can write that is what we can write angle M N A is equal to angle M L A is equal to what? 90 degree.
90 degree.
Degree.
That is the meaning of that perpendicular, no? 90 degree. Then to prove, what we have to prove?
LM is equal to NM.
M is equal to
LM
N is equal to N. Then proof. Consider triangle.
consider triangle
A, L, M and A, M
AM.
and triangle A, N, M. Then tell me.
AM is
A,
common.
AM is common. Okay. AM is equal to
AM
AM.
is equal to AM common.
Okay, common. Then one more angle, 90 degree already we wrote, no? Angle M.
Angle MNA equal to angle MLA, which is equal to 90 degree.
That means what given. That much is enough. Already we wrote that now. Given MN perpendicular to AB and AN perpendicular to AC. Already we wrote that is. Then, so we have a side here. Then, which one? This angle we have, no? Then, which one? We have to find out LM is equal to LN, so congruent C. Perpendicular bisectors, or which one? Bisectors from, read the question. AP bisects angle BAC. AP bisects angle BAC. That means AP given. One more point you have to write. Given AP bisects angle ABC. That means what? Which two angles will be equal?
Angle.
Angle LAM is equal to angle NAM.
So that also you write in given part. That is angle LAM is equal to angle
NAM.
NAM. Bisect. That also you have to write. Given. That also given, no? So we can write what third point as angle LAM to angle
equal to angle NAM.
Why? Because given AP is the
AP is
bisector of
bisect angle
Angle
BAC.
ABC, no? Angle ABC. So this angle equal. This is angle. So how can we write triangle?
Triangle
ALM
ALM
is congruent to
congruent to triangle ANM
triangle ANM.
Using
AAS.
AS.
can we say ASA? No angle here.
AS.
A same we have to A and then one more angle, then one side. Not the included side. We can't write SA. We can't write. It is not the included side. A.
Therefore, AB into AC CP CTC.
Therefore, what we have to find out? That means
AB
L is equal to LM only. No, we have to find out.
LM
LM is equal to NM.
NM
That is
CP
CTC.
CTC.
corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.